Enforcers.
Ay, sorry, bye.
Tip up one by Blue. Knock binigay kay Jervy. Jervy may nabali Paul. Paul. Bababa ng ball para sa malaksak. No good. Mike Magallanes ang tumanggap. Mike. Uy! Kusuko siya. Mike Magallanes. 2 points. Sean Enriquez playing point guard for today's game. Shot clock sa 16. Ball pa rin kay Sean. Pinunta kay Macapia. Macapia, bagong champion to. Foul! Mike, ano number mo, Mike? 22, ay 26. First personal foul, second. Ay, first team foul. Sorry.
Free throw ba daw, boss?
Oh, free throw post daw. Ay, hindi. Tuloy yun. Pag free throw post daw. Oh, post daw, sorry. Okay, tuloy daw. Oo, pumasok. Third final shot ni Macapia, no good. Our score 2-1 in favor of Team Blue. Mike binigay kay Kenneth. Kenneth takes a long three. No good. Rebound ni Ben. Pupot, nagpapadali. Kuha ni Knock. Pero nakita na si Shad. 17 to shoot Shad. Shad binigay kay Macapia sa corner. Kasi takes a jumper instead. No good. Rebound ni Kenneth. Kenneth binigay niya kay Kirkland versus Brooklyn. Binigay niya to foul. Blocking foul. Paul Bello. First personal foul, first team foul. Pumasok. Hindi. Wala mandatory to. Second shot ni Kurt, pasok. Score 3-1 in favor of Team Blue. On the shot clock, Paul takes a 3, walang pumantay. 3 points, Paul Bello. Amang ng isa ang Team Blue. Mike, nagkano pa sa 9 second, Kenneth to Kurt. 15 to shoot. Kurt humingi ng screen kay Mike. 13 to shoot. Pinunta niya kay Kenneth sa corner. Takes a pass, takes a 3, no good. Rebound ni Ben. Hinagin niya kay Sean. Sean turning on the net. Sean binigay kay Paul. Paul heat check. Yes sir! 3 points. Paul Bello. Shot clock set at 18. Manungan ng 4 at team. Ishan. Kurt takes a jumper. Jumper is good for Kurt Acasio. He's got down just like you. To shoot. Kaya tumanggap. Binigay niya kay Paul. Takes a jumper again. No good this time. Buha ni Macapia. Saves the ball. Binigay niya kay Sean. Sean takes a 3. No good. Patay ang butikay. Rebound ni Ben. Binigay niya kay Paul. Paul wait lang daw. Sabi niya, dumray. Floater. No good. Rebound pa rin ni Ben. Grabe ang sipag. Pero nakuha ni Jeremy. Ay, pangalawa. Nakuha ni Sean. 2 points. Sean Enriquez. 19 on shot clock. Knock ang bola. 15 to shoot. Kurt. By Sean Wayne screen, 10 to shoot. Kurt, step back 3, off the mark. Rebound ni Knock. Pinagay ni Kenneth kay Jorgie. Yun na rin. Jorgie 2 points, assist by Kenneth. Amang ng dalawa ang team big. Macapia, tumanggap. Dumray, foul. Number 2. First personal foul, pangalan team foul yung Blue. Blue! Huy! Second team foul. Macapia, pinasahan ni Sean. Shot clock at 9. 5 to shoot. Macapia jumper is good. Assist by Sean Enriquez. score 7-11 in favor of Team Pink. Kenneth tumanggap. Good drives again. What a pass by Kenneth Alonso. 2 points. It's no good by Jersey Team. Ben naka-rebound. Binigay niya kay Sean. Sean driving to the paint. Binato ang bola. But it's good. Lamang na ng 6 ang Team Pink. Last 6 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Mike tumanggap. 15 ang shot at tumingin ng screen si Mike. Mike nagamit pa sa andong right. Loader by Mike Magallanes is good. 2 points. Magallanes. 18 on the shot clock. Sean spinning. 14 to shoot. Sean driving the set. It's no good. Rebound ni Ben. Grabe. Huli ka kay Derby Team. Inbound play, Ben. Tumanggap si Kyle. Kyle for 3. 2 points. Ay, 3 points. Kyle Estrella. Assist by Mr. Rilas. Thank you, Tita. Akasio. May half mo. Spin by Derby again. Continuing to shoot. Akasio takes a jumper. It's in and out. Rebounding Estrella. Estrella out and pass to Paul. Paul, stop, pop, and free. No good. Grabe, rebound. Oy, rebound na naman ni Ben. Pero rebound ni Mike. Knock. Pina by Derby. Picks up. Brother in violation. Stop, rip. Kuya Albert scored 16-9 in favor of Team Pink. Makapit, talit. Pinasa kay Kyle. 16 to shoot. Pinasa na kay Paul. Paul nagkakapapasan natin si Makapit. Cross-court pass. Doesn't take a 3. Takes a jumper instead. No good. Rebound ni Ben. Grabe. Nakakarami agad si Ben in the first quarter. Makapia saving the ball. Stolen by Mike Magallanes. Mike Magallanes to Kurt. Kurt versus Sean. Nakaluso si Kurt. 2 points. Kurt Akasio. Assist by Mike Magallanes. That's all. 18 to shoot. Sean to Paul. 15 to shoot. Paul jump step and takes a 3. 3 points. Paul Bello. 19-11 ang score.
Small time out ka?
Okay, basket time out.
Sub.
Sorry. Sean, no lumabas, kabinawan. Kurt ang nakakuha. Kurt, pinasa kay Kuya Aman. Aman Malyari, Durani, pinasa kay Derby. Doesn't take a jumper. Derby to Mike. Mike takes a jumper. It's short. Rebound ni Ben. No, ayun na si Mike. Para makuha ni Kyle. Kyle, pinagay na kay Paul. Paul, Thousand of the training. That's his 4-3. If he makes it, make it 4. Timeout, rip. Try by Team Blue. 4 triple for Paul Bello. Team Pink. Paul Bello leading Team Pink in the scoring. Time of Blue. And that takes a 3. No good. Rebound ni Ben. Grabe. Ben pang ilang rebound mo rin in the first quarter. Sean, no look pa sa Makapia. Makapia receives 2 points. Makapia. Assist by Enriquez. Malaki na kalamangan ng Team Pink. 16 on the shot clock. Aman, second screen. Kurt takes a 1-3. Foul. Enriquez. Pagkakas siya. First person of foul, team foul. Second team foul. 3 shots for Kurt Akasio.
May nabot naman. Lalaro na si ano? Iwan ka na. Ha? Ano gabi yan? Check ko lang. Lalaro. Sino kulang? Three shots mo to. Pato yun.
kay Kurt. Macapia driving. 2 points, Macapia. Namang ulit ang 12. Yung team team. Kurt, ang naman na rin. Oh, bola lang. Then nakita si Kuyaman spinning inside the paint. No good. Rebound ni Ben, grabe! Pang-pitong rebound natin ni Ben ngayon. First quarter pa lang. Kyle, tumira ng 3 points. Estrella. Nalistap. Oy, rebound ni Ben ha. Mike takes a jumper, no good. Rebound ni Macapia. Macapia binigay kay Popo. In and out yung layup. Kenneth na rebound. Binigay niya kay Kurt. Kurt versus Ben. Foul. Ben. Pangalan si Ben. First personal foul, 13 foul. To shoot, Kurt. 13, pinasa ni Kurt at corner. Denzel driving to the face. Good layup is good. Assist by Acacio. 2 points. Denzel Soberano. Score 16-29 in favor of Team Team pa rin. 15 to shoot. Shot and Ligas. Nakita si Estrella. Heat check. The shortest rebound ni Kenneth. Early now with this. Kenneth. Nakita si Kurt. Nakita ko na itong bola. 16 to shoot. Kurt. Kumright na lang. Short din. Rebound ni Sean. Sean nagmamadali. 20 to shoot. Last 1 minute remaining in the first quarter. Sean to Estrella. 2 points. Para Estrella. Assist by Sean Enriquez. Kurt takes a jumper. It's short. Rebound ni Ben. This is 8 rebounds in the first quarter. Grabe, 8 rebounds in the first quarter, Ben. 9 rebounds pala. Estrella, 3! Sino pumasa? Hindi ko nakita pumasok siya, no? 17 on the shot clock. Mike, pinabangga si Sean. 13 to shoot. Denzel to Mike. 10 to shoot, Mike. Mike takes it. Oh, foul! 13. Pagkain si Makapo. First personal foul, warning for penalty. 13 foul. How the seconds remaining in the first quarter? Second shot. Mike Magallanes. 13 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3. Good if it goes. No good. That's the end of proclaimed double stopper. Ayun na, double stopper. Binigay kay Ian. Ian Torabena, no good. Rebound ni Kuyaman. Fifteen to shoot. Kenneth takes a three. No good. Rebound ni Ian. Binigay kay Mitalaw. Sano to Ian. Ian takes a three. 3 points. Ian, 2 points. To shoot. Kurt takes a jumper. 2 points. Kurt Acanto. Fourteen to shoot. Wow. Ay, grabe rin. 15 to shoot. No good kay Lenching. Rebound ni Villaruel. Villaruel takes a jumper. Short rebound ni Lenching. Lenching, binangga si Sanaw. Sanaw. Ano si Sanaw? Ha? First personal foul. First team foul.
Mainit ang ulo ni Lenching. Mainit talaga.
No good ang first shot ni Lenching. No good ang second shot ni Lenching. Rebound Sanaw. Sanaw nagmamagulit. Bitawag ni bola. Sanaw. Okay, kasi ano.
Mainit talaga, mainit.
No good in strike ni Ian. What's the call? Pushing foul. 47. Si Kuya Aman. First personal foul, first team foul. First team foul, di ba? First personal foul. Rabena, pinasok kay Sanaw. 17 to shoot. Sanaw, 13 to shoot. Sanaw binigay kay Shadow Stopper for 3! No good! Hindi nakuha ni Lenching ang rebound. Hindi pa naman. 3 to shoot! Rabena for 3, no good! Rebound ni Kurt. Good yan. Kurt driving. Good change of pace. Wow. Who's Padre? 13. First personal foul, second team foul. Tumirin po siya. Pasok po siya. Second shot. It's good for Kurt Apasio. Cheese binigay niya kay Rabena. 15 to shoot. Rabena to Sanaw. 13 to shoot. Sanaw. What's the call? 27. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Nakatao-tao pala ang team blue dito. Cheese binigay niya kay Sanaw. Sanaw versus Kurt. No good. Rebound. Team Pink. Grabe. Kuha pa rin ni Sanaw. Sanaw. Kick out to the corner. 3 point. Rabena. Assist by Lucas. 16 to shoot. Kurt. Drop pass to Kuya Aman. Foul. Who's foul rin? Si Cheese. Pangin si Cheese.
Nakangiti eh.
First personal foul. 13 foul. Nakascore na ba si Kuya? Pero yung isa. Wow! Mainit! Hindi! Shot! First shot pasok ka.
14.
Sa break, basket. Oh, no good. Rebound ni Shadow Stopper. Shadow Stopper to Dutlex. Dutlex to Shadow Stopper. Shadow Stopper driving to the paint. No good. Rebound ni Tapik. Sa break. Pasok ang pasok. Labas ang labas. Our score 40 to 23. Alam niyo na kung sino ang naman. Kurt to Kenneth. Takes a 3. No good. Rebound ni Cheese. Cheese de Teo. Pinasa kay Sanaw. 16 on the shot clock. Sanaw driving. Binigay kay Aljon. Aljon 2 points. No good. Rebound ni Kuya Aman. Kuya Aman binigay kay Kurt. Kurt nagmamadali. Turning on against Kurt. 17 to shoot. Kurt half spin. Driving. Step back. Step through. Layup. No good. Rebound ni Kuya Aman. Who's on left? Number 6. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Basket sub, basket sub. Red, basket sub. Hindi, pwede rin. Pwede na ginagawa natin. Ano? Basket sub. Makabiyakin. Nakabiyan na. Makapya tumanggap. Makapya, buting mga oh, jump ball, blue ball, blue ball. Lead is cut down just by 16. Last 6 minutes remaining in the second quarter. 15 to shoot, Kurt takes a 3, it's short. Ian naka-rebound. Ian ngayon, ganda ng bola, pinasa kay Sanaw. Sanaw sa ilalim, no foul is called. Good defense by Lenching. Lenching nakuha ang bola. Kurt nagpababa. Kurt, pinasa kay Kenneth all alone. 2 points. Kurt, Kenneth alone. Wala, bawal yan. Huwag ka sa ano basket. Huwag ka may game basket. Assist by Kurt. Assist by Kurt yan, ha? 10 to shoot. Sanaw. Binigay kay Makapia. 7 to shoot. Makapia. 4 to shoot. Binigay kay Sanaw. Takes a jumper. No good. Kuha ni Ian. To Sanaw. Napitawan ng bola. Last 5 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Sanaw takes another 3 again. No good. Rebound. Oh! Line ball na. Sabre! Shout out, pinaka-poging matahungan, James Bello. James Bello, kaway ka naman dito. Mantik na maago ni Ben. Safe ball tayo. Shot clock set at 17. Kurt tumanggap, 15 shoot. Takes the pass, nakita na si Kuya Aman. Kuya Aman takes the jumper ng Papa Aljon. Penalty rin, penalty. Second personal foul, penalty. Basket sa pre. Shot, binigay niya kay Ben libre. Grabe, mabuti mahaba ni Kuya Am. Ay, supalpal ni Kuya Am yun. Hindi lang sa tito.
Wala.
Oy! 16 to shoot, Kenneth tumanggap. Kurt to Mike. Mike to Kurt. Kurt takes the jumper. 3 points! Kurt Agasio. Lead cut down just by 12. Shot to Makapia. Muntik na maagaw ni Mike. Makapia driving foul. Who's foul? On the floor. 27. Pati ng 17. Third personal foul. Sub rep. 13 foul. Sub rep. Paki sub rep. Last 4 minutes remaining. Shot clock is at 13. Shot tumanggap. Shot to Ben, libre sa 3. Patay ang butike. Hindi mag-night hurt. Kurt, tingin na ng 3. 3 points, Kurt Agasio. Score is leads cut down by just 9. Score 42 to 33. Ben Dumray, 2 points. Ayoko. Hindi. Assist na Enriquez. Foul. Who's foul red? Ben, number mo Ben? 22. First personal foul. Ian. good. Rebound ni Macapia. Sean to Kyle. Nagulo si Kyle. Nakaagaw ni Denzel. Denzel pinasa kay Kurt. Kurt with a hot hand on the second quarter. Kurt pinasa kay Kanye Latatas. No! Rebound ni Mike. Nabitawan ni Mike. Ayun si Kurt. Kurt takes a jumper. No good. Rebound ni Ian. Macapia to. Referee timeout. Referee timeout tayo. Last 3 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Macapia nabitawan ng bola. Denzel naka-steal. Jeremy nagmamadali. Jeremy versus Sean. Takes a jump up. Floater no good. Rebound ni Sean. Sean binigay na kay Paul. Paul coming into the game with 4 threes in the game. Paul takes a floater. Floater is good. Paul Bello. Shot clock set at 18. Namang ng 12 ulit ang traveling violation. Paul tumanggap. Paul to Ian. Ian takes a corner 3. It's off the mark. Rebound ni Jeremy yun. Jeremy binigay na kay Kurt. Kurt nabitawan ng bola ng steal ni Sean. Sean yun nagmamadali. 3v3 situation. Paul. Make it 5 if it makes it. Make it 5 for Paul Bello. Mana ba sa kuya? Sabi ni RJ. Pero si Kurt bumamay. No good. Di Kurt. Who's ball left? Save ball. Alam ko yan. To shoot. Pinasa ni Denzel kay Mike Pao. Ian. And 1. Panginoon si Ian. Second personal at first personal foul. Sobre. Mike bonus shot. It's good. Mike Magallanes makes the bonus shot. Lead is back down just by 12. Last 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Ball better make it 6-3. No. Rebound ni Mike. Binigay ni Mike kay Kurt. Kurt hot hand. Then si Kurt foul. Who's foul rep? 30. Panginoon si Macapia. Second personal foul. Count it. Count it. Left count it. Hindi ko nakita. Hindi ko nakita. Time out rin. Tinatawag ulit ng Team Blue ang Team Pink. Kuya Amon to Ben. Aljon to Macapia. Macapia to Sean. Takes a 3, pinasa kay Macapia. Takes a 3. 3-point. John Renz, Macapia. Assist ni Sean. Akasio, may hawak. 17 to shoot. Ang Asio, mukhang mapauwi ng 3. 14 to shoot. Akasio. Drop pass to Kuyaman. Grabe, ang ganda ng pasa. Assist by Magallanes. 2 points. Aman Manyares. Lead is back down just by 10. Sean to Macapia. Macapia, kahit papasahan, hindi siya pumasok tumira ng 3. Rebound ni Ben, grabe 10 rebounds na si Ben. 8 to shoot. And no good. Rebound ni Jeremy. Loose ball rep. Grabe ang sipag ni Ben. 2 points and 10 rebounds into the game. 50 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Siya tumanggap. No look pass to Pepe. Rebound ni Kuyaman. Kurt nagmamadali. 18 to shoot. 10 na lang sinamahan ng team. 13 to shoot, Kurt. Binigay kay Mike. 10 to shoot. Matik na matapos ni Popod. 5 to shoot. Mike step through. 2 to shoot. Shot clock violation. Running time yan, Red. Running time yan. Running time. 20 seconds remaining. Makapit ng madali. Stolen by Denzel. Kuya, ang binigay kay Kurt. Muntik na maagaw. Ni Puput. 10 to shoot. Ball. No good. 3 pa Makapia. 6 to shoot. Makapia. No good pa rin. 3 to shoot. Makapia. Good. Our score coming into the third quarter. 54 to 42. Lamang ng 12 ulit ang Team Pink. And we're back to the ball game. Mike binigay kay Denzel. Denzel to Kurt. Kurt takes a 3. It's short. Rebound ni Popot. 18 to shoot. Ball binigay kay Sean. Sean, talk about the 3. Doesn't take it. Sean. 10 to shoot behind the back pass. Grabe, pero hindi nyo sa ni Ben. Ben, kick out to Kyle. It's no good. Rebound ni Denzel. Binigay na kay Kurt. Mike tumanggap, 16 to shoot. Kurt, binigay niya kay Denzel. Grabe, ganda pasahan. First basketball. Pero no good. Rebound ni Kyle yun. Ben ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Binigay niya kay Paul. 17 to shoot. Sean, binigay niya kay Makapia. 13 to shoot. Makapia. Crosses over. Oh! 2 points. Makapia. 56 to 42 ang score. Kenneth driving. Drop pass to Jervy. 2 points. Assist by Kenneth Talose. Sean is picked up by Kurt. Kyle nakalusot na tapik ni Jervy. Good defense by Jervy T. Shot clock at 16. Ben binigay na kay Sean. 14 to shoot. Sean, nagano pa pasahan. Nakita na si Paul. Paul, pati na mabitawan. Tumray pa! Number 6.
Red.
26. Up. First person about first kita.
Get out. I will go here. Yes, you're on board. I'm in third.
First shot is good. Paul Bello. Pabigit. Rebound ni Jervy. Binigay na kay Denzel. Denzel tumanggap tayo ng Denzel. Hinahabol ni Ben. Pero si Denzel nakalusto. Ay, pinagtabagpasa. Pero binigay niya kay Kenneth. Kenneth for three. Off the mark. Rebound ni Denzel. Denzel binigay kay Kurt. 20 to shoot. Kurt, step back jumper. It's short. Rebound ni Makapia. Makapia atin pa si Pupot. Grabe ang bilis na dulas pa. Pero makes the left hand of the layup. Assist by Makapia. Kurt, may hawak. Kurt, nabitawan ng bola. Recovered by Jordy. Pero naago ni Ben. Ben, binigay na kay Sean. Sean, binigay na kay Pupot. To Sean. Grabe ang pasahan ng Team B. Seventeen on the shot clock. Mike, binigay dito. Kenneth, binigay sa corner. From right si Kurt. 2 points. Kurt Acasio. Assist by Talose. Kurt, binigay kay Makapia. 16 on the shot clock. 12 to shoot. Makapia takes a jumper. It's short. Rebound ni Denzel. Kurt ngayon, may hawak na bola. Kurt nagmamadali. Kurt, nakalusot. No foul is called. Kuha ni Blue. 13 to shoot. Binigay na kay Mike sa corner pero ang lakas. Sabre! Last 7 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Sean and Marines sumatanggap. Tinuro na si Paul. Pero ang layo ng pasa na yun. Trying to shoot. Kurt. Bumangga. Floater, it's good. Grabe kamada ni Kurt na yan. Leads cut down by 13. Makapia picked up by Kenneth, 13 to shoot. 9 to shoot. Makapia to Sean. Sean takes a 3. 3 points. Sean Enriquez, assist by Makapia. Back to 16 on lead. Who's foul rep? 1. Pangalan si 1. Bonus shot for Kurt Akasio. It's good. Lead is cut down again by 13. Still anyone's walking. 18 on the shot clock. Sean binigay kay Paul. 15 to shoot. Paul versus Mike. Screen by Ben. Picked up by Kuya Aman. Grabe. Good screen. Yan na, Kurt counter-attacking. Nadapa si Kurt. Na-recover ni Jervy. What a fake by Jervy. 2 points. Jervy 3. Humiinis ka ng outlets pero hindi yan nakita. Kurt, oh! Sayang, ulimas na siya doon. Assist by Kurt Akasio. 2 points by Aon Maliani. Lamang ng 11. Sabrek! Sabrek. Iyan, pasok. Number 2. Second personal foul. First shot is good by Makapia. Second shot from Makapia is good. League is back to 13. Kurt nagtuturo, 16 to shoot.
Yeah.
Mike, 14 to shoot. Mike driving. Pagkita si Jervy. Jervy. Munting ka maano, Jervy pa rin. 5 to shoot, Jervy. Big man move. Jervy team, 2 points. Last 5 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Score 68-57. Lamang ang Team Pink. Makapia open 3. 3 is good for John Renz Makapia. Si Sean pala, sorry. 18 to shoot. Akasio pinili kay Jervy. Jervy jumper is no good. Rebound ni Ian. Binigay ni Ian kay Sean. Sean nagano pa sa atin. Asahin Makapia. Makapia. Nagbitawan. Stolen. No. Recover. Foul. Number 22. First, personal pa ng 30. Foul.
Sean, 10 assist ka na.
Makapia bonus shot is good. Swak na swak. Yung malaki lang ang kalamangan. 19 na ang kalamangan. Team Pink. Makapia rebound. Same ball. 17 na ulit. Last 4 minutes remaining. Ian takes a jumper. It's short. Rebound ni Aljon. Aljon to Ian. No good pa rin. Ian recovers. Kuha ni Makapia. Corner 3. No good. It's short. Rebound ni Sean. Sean binigay kay Ian. Ian driving to the paint. Drop pass to Aljon. No good. Rebound ni Sana. Right to the si Kurt. Kurt. Foul. Who's foul? Sana. Sana. First, thank you po sa thank you. Thank you. Dyan ako naman isang kwentong ni Potts sa Honda City na kulay red. $18 on the shot clock. Kurt may hawak. 14 to shoot. Kurt, pinasa kay Kuya Aman. Sayang, can't connect the pass. Siya nagmamadali, nagpapasan. Siya nagmamadali. Pinasa sa likod. Nakakawin Kenneth. Kenneth 1v1 situation versus Ian. Wow, Ian. Pangina si Ian. Putol. Second personal foul, 30 foul. First shot is good by Kenneth Calose. Second shot, no good, in and out. Boy, mga kami, Kuya Aman. Kuya Aman takes a three. Bang! 3 points, Aman. Nangyari. Leads back to 13. 15 to shoot, that was it. Makapia, 10 to shoot. Sabre. Makapia, 10 to shoot. Makapia nakita si Estrella. No troubles goal, 5 to shoot. 2 to shoot. Good if it goes. No good. Shot clock violation. Last 3 minutes in the third quarter. Kuya Aman, muntik na managawan pero na-recover ni Kenneth. 15 to shoot. Denzel tumanggap. Denzel to Kurt. Kurt takes a jumper. It's short again. Kyle, 2v3 situation. Hulin! Nakabot ni Sprinkle. Grabe, pasok pala ni Gordon. Nakabot pa talaga ni Kurt. Supa si Sanao. Balik pa parado ka kay Prince kagabi. 18 on the shot clock. Kyle to Makapia. 12 to shoot. Makapia. Ooh! Nice separation! Grabe! Grabe kinawan lang. 77-61 score. Makapia. Heating up the goal. Kurt, mukhang babawi. Pero pinigil ni Kenneth. 15 to shoot. Foul on the floor. Who's foul? Sanao. Sabre, pangina si Sanao. Wait lang. Kuya Arman doesn't take a jumper. 9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Kenneth long 3. That's off the mark. Ian to Paul. Outlet pass. Paul versus Mike. Huli ka kay Mike. Last 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Kurt, jumper from the mid-range is no good. Hindi pa ni Makapia. Makapia, pinasa kay Paul. Paul takes a jumper. No good. Rebound ni Aljan. Aljan, foul. Number 22. Penalty na po tayo. Panginoon si Kenneth. Second personal foul. Sabre. Benedict Alboinos coming into the game with 11 rebounds.
Wow!
Magsarit niyo ba yun? No good ang bonus shot. Up. Who's that? Mas early, mas early. 79-61. 17 to shoot. Mike to Denzel. No good. Rebound ni Ben. 12 rebound for Ben Alborno. Double rebound today. Double rebound. 11 pa lang. Okay, 11 pa lang. Sorry. 11 pa lang si Ben. That's 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Inbound pass na agaw ni Kyle Estrella. Kyle Estrella na naman din. Pinasa kay Paul. Malakas ang tira. Pero nakuha ni Kurt. Kurt, nagulat si Ian doon, si Makapia. Kurt, turn mo na dyan. Drop pass to Kenneth. Back to Kurt. Back to Kenneth. Back to Kurt. Back to nobody. Kuha ni Kuya Aman. Nope, kuha ni Makapia. Makapia, that's 1 minute remaining. Makapia, drop pass to Estrella. Assist by Estrella. 2 points for Makapia. Our score 81-61 in favor of Team Pink. Last 50 seconds remaining. No good. Same ball. Running time tayo. Last 40 seconds remaining. 32 seconds remaining. Kenneth takes a three. Lead is cut down just by 17. Last 24 seconds remaining. Shot clock is at 19.
Uy, wag
Kaya
ka.
tumangga.
3 in 1 yan. 3 in 1.
15 to shoot. 12 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Ben, no good. Good if it goes. 1 to shoot. Pulso, binigay kay Macapia. Macapia, no good. Rebound ni Denzel, binigay na kay Kurt. It's the fourth and final quarter. Kurt turning on the Jets. Kurt to knock, no good. Rebound ni Macapia. Sean turning on the Jets. Sean, stop, pop, and three. It's short. Rebound ni Denzel. Binigay na kay Knock, binigay ni Knock kay number 6-7. Binigay niya kay Kurt. 16 to shoot. Knock. Binigay kay Denzel. Denzel binigay kay Kurt. Kurt takes a jumper. It's good. 3 points. Kurt Acasio. Assist by Denzel Soberano. 18 on the shot clock. Sean to Macapia. 15 to shoot. Macapia to Sean. 9 to shoot. Sean to huli ka kay Denzel. Sean to mamadali. Ay, Kurt to mamadali. No foul is called. 19 to shoot. Kurt to Kuya Adjo. Kuya Adjo to knock to the corner. Kenneth. 3 points. Kenneth Walose. Lead is back to 13 again. Si knock. Wow. 7 to shoot. 3 points. On Enrique. Sino kumama? Sino kumama?
Uy, bumubukbang ka.
Assist by Kyle Australia. 15 on the shot clock. Lead is back to 16. Kurt, nakalusot. No good. Ang lakas. Macapia to Paul. Picked up by Denzel. Paul, long 3. No good. Medyo call team. Stress to Paul ngayon. Pero, no look pass by Sean. Corner 3. It's short again. Rebound again. Oh, line ball.
Tumama na pala yung
Bugana.
Dugo.
16 on the shot clock. Kenneth takes a long 3 again. It's way up.
Grabe si Ben and Ben.
Rebound ni Macapia. Macapia picked up by Kenneth. 15 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Macapia to the corner. 5 to shoot. Popo. No good. Interesting ball neto. Kurt nagmamadali. Turning on the Jets. Stop, pop, and three. It's no good. Rebound ni Kurt. Saved by Kurt. Nope. Kuha ni Macapia. Macapia slowing down the pace. 14 to shoot. Macapia. Pull up jumper. 2 points. John wins Macapia. A score 88 to 70 in favor of Team Pink. 18 on the shot clock. Kurt, nagmamadali. Kurt. Timeout rin. Okay. Tingnan tubig. Back to the ballgame tayo. Our score 88 to 72. Time is the enemy for Team Blue. 9 to shoot. Macapia on 3. It's no good. Rebound ni Kenneth. Kenneth turning on the Jets. 18 to shoot. Kurt showing signs of fatigue. Kurt binigay kay Mike. Mike binigay kay Kenneth for 3. Short, rebound isa. Now. Ana, thank you. Like, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Makabyat, binigay kay Ian. Libre sa corner. 3 points. Ian Puto. Assist by Makabyat. Lead is now 19. Last 5 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Kenneth 3, no good. Rebound Kuya Aman. Kuya Aman, spinning pa. Who's out? Ian. Pagin si Ian. Third personal foul, first team foul. Our very handsome face of the night, Mackenzie Hartenberg. Sino tumitingin agad? Sino tumitingin agad, Jay? Sino tumitingin agad? Ay, binabawi. Patingin ka agad eh. Gusto ko humble muna. Our score is 74 to 91.
Hey, gusto mo daw, Nate?
Kuyaman. 16 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Makapia takes a 3. It's good. Lead is now 20 for Team Pink.
Nate, ayaw mo ba daw?
Kurt nagmamadali. 2 points. Kurt Atasha. Team Blue showing heart inside the court, but Team Pink just playing time. 15 on the shot clock. Shot to Makapia again. Shot Makapia with a hot hand in the game. 8 to shoot. Picked up by Kuya Aman. 4 to shoot. No foul. Let's go. Foul! Oh, Kuya Aman. First personal foul, first team foul. Time out, ref. Time out, ref. Time out, blue. Bonus shot for Makapia. It's in and out. On the shot clock. Denzel, libre sa tres. It's no good. Rebound ni Ian. Ian binigay kay Raben. Raben libre sa corner. No good. Rebound ni Sean.
Tirapord!
17 to shoot. Sean, pagkita na ng logo 3. Ayaw na. 12 to shoot. Picked up by Kuya Angelo. Good defense. 2 points. Sean Enriquez. 7-6-99 na ang score. Two points for Kurt Natasha. Oh, no. Sean Enriquez playing time again. 99-78. Last 3 minutes remaining. 10 to shoot. Ravenna driving. Sobre. Ayaw mo. Ayaw mo. Pakalawa ikaw papasok. Huwag pasok na cheese. Sige na. Pasok na sa labas. Checking into the game. Shadow stopper. 5 to shoot. Iyan binigay kay Cheese. Cheese na bitang ito na lang. Kurt, 3 points. 81-99. Anyone's ball game pa rin to. Miracles can happen in this kind of ball game. 15 on the shot clock. Makapia handling the ball. Binigay kay Raben. Makapia, get to shoot. Makapia, bigay mo kay Cheese. Binigay na kay Ian. Ian, libre sa corner. 3 points, Ian Buto. Assist by Makapia. Kuya Anjo, libre rin sa corner. Tumray ng press. God bless. 3 points. Kuya Joy. Oh. Last 2 minutes. Bigay mo kay Cheese yan. Bigay mo kay Cheese. Cheese. Gumalaw ka dyan, Cheese. Ayaw ni Cheese. Nagsiscreen ka lang. Nahihiya pa si Cheese. Chinichir pa nila Casey Cheese. 4 to shoot. Sean for 3. Assist by Makapi again. Who's foul rin? 99. Ano na si Sean?
Shadow die, stop it.
Sabrit. Second personal foul, second team foul. Graduate na siya. Ano, graduate eh. Sabi kasi ni Patrick eh. Oh! 2 straight 3-point for Adboy. Oh.
Half court, half court, half court.
Ben Alvarez with only 11 rebounds. We want 20 rebounds, Ben. Bigay ko kay Cheese. Ben Alvarez for 3. 3 points. Diba, Ben? Assist by no one. Yoko. Assist ni Enriquez, ha? Last 1 minute. Bigay mo kay Cheese. Bigay mo kay Cheese.
Naiya po, naiya po.
O, bigay mo sa hatan nila. Bigay mo sa hatan nila itong kamay. Bigay mo sa mainit na kamay. Binigay mo sa mainit na kamay. Ravenna for 3 again. No good. Denzel binigay. No, di binigay ni Kuya Joe. Last 35 seconds remaining. Denzel binigay. No, rebound niya siya. Hindi. Si Cheese naman. Cheese naman. Yan na. Shadow stopper. No good. Uy, habol mo, Ben. Di counted as rebound yun. 21 seconds, no more shot clock. Still. Wala. Ano to ball game na? No more steal. And that's the end of the game. Our score 108-87 in favor of Team Pink. And they advance to the